Happy birthday, dear Daddy.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other n***s bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Oh, Daddy's birthday. Nice. Oh, okay. You gotta like this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hooray. For he's a jolly good fella. For he's a jolly good fella. For he's a jolly good fella. And so say all of us. And now you can make a wish. You gotta make a wish. Yay! Tell us something then. Where are we going? Hi guys.
Welcome back.
Welcome.
Yeah, man.
We going to the movies.
Movie night tonight, you know. Still my birthday.
Yeah.
And this is the last thing we have to do for the night.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have to watch Wakanda.
Wakanda or Wakanda?
Wakanda Part 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So
let's go now. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Hopefully, babe, we'd have to turn. Sorry. We don't even know, like.
I think it will tell us where
It will tell us at 750 meters. All right. Yeah, guys. So we're stuck at a traffic lights for a hot minute. We're kind of running out of time. Movie starts at 8, but then with ads and everything anyway. But
and it's 2 minutes to 8 actually, and we have 6 minutes to reach according to the map. You see it, so yeah, I think we'll make it, or yeah, pretty much we'll make it.
And we're both coughing still.
Yeah, my voice still not come back good, but yeah, better than last night anyway, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, green light.
Let's go now.
Yeah, man.
We're on the road now.
Yeah. So they drive through Sydney streets, show you how I'm going. Alright.
In 500 meters, take the exit towards Paulding Street, Fairfield.
And Bobo is with Grandma.
Yeah, you know.
Nonna. Everything is Nonna. He loves his Nonna.
True.
Shit, I think I was speeding just then. Oopsie.
Take the exit towards Paulding Street.
There's the exit.
So here. I can't stop coughing.
In 300 meters, turn right onto Smithfield Road.
Oh yeah.
And today was a really good
Turn right
day.
onto Smithfield Road.
Really
and
well
turn
spent.
left.
Yeah, man.
Did you have a
enjoyed
good
it.
day on your birthday, my love?
Definitely.
And now to top it off, we're gonna both be falling asleep like Grandma and
At
Grandpa.
the movies.
At the movies.
Because it's been a long day, we've been tired.
Yeah, we've had a
Yeah.
really long day, guys. We've been riding around and we've been, you know what I mean, just going.
Yeah, man.
Sorry,
Take the
guys.
next left towards
Bit
Paulding
of a
Street.
fast.
Continue for 3
So,
kilometers.
around here.
In 50 meters, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Paulding Street.
Jesus.
Yeah, man.
We're supposed to turn there.
We're on the right street.
Yeah, we're on the right road.
Yeah, it's just right on the road.
Yeah,
Huh.
yeah, we're right.
According to Google Maps.
I haven't. Sydney has changed. Like I always say it, Sydney's always changing. New streets, new this, new that. So things for me are just not like the same as that used to be 10 years ago when I lived in Sydney. So, you know, it's hard to get used to new streets and all that again.
Yeah.
Anyhow, I don't know if I could live in the city, guys. I really don't.
It's expensive and it's hectic.
Yeah,
It's busy life.
Busy life. I just hate sitting in the car and waiting for half an hour for a light to turn green. You know, I'd rather live in the country where there's just straight roads. Yeah, you might get, you know, you might hit a kangaroo or something, but at the same time, you'd rather hit a kangaroo than wait in the traffic in hot heat weather and all of that kind of thing. I just went over, as you guys seen, I almost went over a red light. Don't worry, I know you can do that. Yeah. And we're listening to a bit of this.
Hold on me. That's my intro song right there.
Yes, YouTube, that is my husband singing.
So we are here now, guys. We're like 5 minutes late, which it shouldn't be a big problem because at the cinema there's like advertisements of movies and all that comes on. So I think we're in that segment right now. Yeah, man. So
Right there now.
yeah,
I
that.
like that.
So stick around.
Yeah.
So I go on. This cinema is called Heights.
Hoi.
Yeah, so that's the name up there.
Oh my
Heights.
gosh, it's
So here we go.
cold. It's cold here, guys, honestly. It's
Yeah,
so cold.
really cool. Look at our drinks cup, guys. This is massive. Oh shoot, what happened?
I'm watching you.
Yeah, like I was not expecting this to be so big.
I might get a little bit of ice.
Yeah, it's gonna have 7-Up. What else is there? Mountain Dew. What is Mountain Dew again?
Like chicken stuffing.
Yeah. Oi. Yeah, man. So movie time. It's still early there. Say it's like 15 minutes before. It's not even over yet. Yeah, halfway. Oh, let's smoke. Shit.
Drop it all on the floor.
So we're here now. It's gonna get dark. So see you guys when we see you. Movie time. Bye for now. Oh, we still have a bit of walking. I can hear advertisement already. I like the walk, the lights. Oh, right here.
Really comfortable. You're gonna fall asleep.
Advertisement. See you guys.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time card.
We just finished watching
Wakanda.
and it was really good.
Yeah, man, trust me.
It was really good.
Very emotional.
So for everybody, go watch it.
Yeah, if you haven't seen
If you
it.
haven't seen it, Wakanda is a really good movie, and I'm so super proud, you know, that they used a lot of actors that are new to the scene. Basically,
Yeah.
they're not like old actors or anything. Besides the
There's a few.
Queen, yeah.
There's a few known.
There's a
but
few
yeah.
known, but it's good, and yeah, we really liked it.
Yeah, the movie was worth it. The storyline, everything to the end was even emotional because you know the actor of part 1 died in real life, so it was so relatable.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because they showed like he died in part 2 and blah blah. But yeah,
It was a really good movie, guys. Go watch it. Wakanda.
I didn't even want to sleep, trust me, and it's almost midnight now, so
Yeah, I'm tired. I'm not
say it
gonna
was
lie.
worth it.
It was worth it.
Yeah,
we
man.
didn't sleep, but I'm so tired right now.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're gonna go.
Yeah, man.
Tomorrow's another day. Back home. Back home and back to work.
Yeah, tomorrow we head home, guys. Back to country.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
So,
Bless up.
yeah, man. Good night, good morning, and good afternoon. And see you when you see you.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
100%.
Blessings.
Bye.